What? Hi, young lady. How are you? Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Tumblr.
Rashonda Scriven Tumbling?
Yeah.
How your name is Rashonda Scriven Tumbling? I thought that was my name.
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you?
19.
Get your hand out your mouth. I can't hear you.
No.
Get your hand out your mouth.
No.
Talk to the camera. Say hi, camera.
I don't.
Can you count to 10? Take your hand out your mouth. Count to 10.
Okay.
8.
Yeah.
And what else?
9.
10.
10.
12. 1.
2.
3.
4.
5.
6.
7.
8.
9.
10.
Yay! Now, how old are you again?
1, 2, and 3.
You 3 already? I thought you just turned 2.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
Yeah,
Desire Tumbling. Wow. That's good. You know your name. What is your mother's name?
My mother.
What's my name?
Destiny Shonda.
Shonda? Shonda what?
Destiny.
Destiny? That's your sister's name. What's mommy's name? What's your daddy's name? Huh? Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Say hi, how are you?
How are you?
Say I'm doing well.
I'm doing well.
Can you get your finger out your mouth?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
Get your finger out your mouth.
No.
Okay. Well, we're going to cut the video.